Meaning of fantasize.
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 Fantasize. Fantasize means to imagine something that is not real or true, often in a way that is pleasurable or exciting. When someone fantasizes, they create a mental image or scenario in their mind that is purely fictional. This can be a way to escape reality or indulge in desires that may not be possible in real life. While fantasizing can provide temporary relief or enjoyment, it is important to distinguish between fantasy and reality in order to maintain a healthy mindset and relationships with others.